We have introduced names of fruits, vegetables, domestic animals, wild animals, sea creatures and many more. Let's start with the birds. Always remember, whenever you give vocabulary to the child, try to give some extra information. If a child is very small, just show the realistic birds and the flashcards. But when the child is little bit big, try to give extra information. For example, introduce owl to the child. You can say that owl remains awake the entire night. Like example, penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird. Here I have puzzle, bird puzzle, flashcards, even a book and a chart. So my child is very small. I can start with the puzzle. Like I can introduce the name and the child can play. Take out the shape of the birds and fix it. And when the child grows up, I can introduce this puzzle. So today, let me invite the child. Hi Anaika. Can you come here and sit? Anaika, so this is a puzzle. Any bird you can recognize from this puzzle? Any bird you know?
Yeah.
Which you know?
Crow.
Okay, where is crow?
Here.
Okay, very good. Then?
Sparrow.
Okay, sparrow. Where is sparrow?
Here.
These are the flashcard. Can you put crow on the flashcard here? Can you see any crow image over here?
Yes.
Where is it?
Here.
Yes. So, no, put the puzzle on the flashcard. Yes. So, this is crow. Okay, then you told me about sparrow. Can you see over here sparrow? Sparrow, can you keep?
Yes.
Okay, where is over here? Where is the image of this? Very good. Yes, keep it up. Okay. Now, which bird you told me? Pigeon.
Yeah.
Now, here, where is pigeon in this? Yes. Yeah. Okay, keep the puzzle on the pigeon. Yeah. Okay. Do you know this bird? It's very common.
Cock.
It's a hen.
Hen.
Okay, can you keep hen over here?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Yes. Now here my child already knows sparrow, crow, pigeon, hen. So now I can introduce more birds too. I have a book also about the bird. So this is a larger picture. So Anaika, okay. This is a peacock.
Yeah.
Okay, with beautiful feathers. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Okay, so over here, can you show me peacock? Yeah, so this is peacock. Can you see the feathers? So colorful feathers.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. This you know.
Yeah. I know crow.
Crow, okay. So crow you know. This,
Pigeon.
wow. This you know?
Yeah.
What is it?
Hen.
Wow. This sparrow. Yes. See over here.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me introduce this bird. You know what is this bird called? Owl.
Yes, I know.
You know owl?
Yeah.
Okay, from here can you show me where is owl?
Here.
And in the puzzle also owl is there. Can you show me owl?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Can you put the puzzle on the flashcard?
Yeah.
Wow. So you know owl also. So we learnt about peacock today, okay?
I also know about duck.
Okay, you know about duck. So, okay, duck puzzle is there, but over here flashcard is not there, okay? Okay, now these are goose.
Okay.
Can you see goose? Yeah. Okay, let me. This is a flightless bird. It cannot fly. You know, this bird cannot fly. You know the name of this bird?
No.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
You know what is it called?
No.
It's called bat.
Bat.
See, now I have separated the flashcards which my child already knows, and I have segregated over here the flashcards which my child today I have introduced. In this way, you can again and again ask the name and keep on introducing the name of the birds, and like this the child will have vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.